Hi everybody, today we're going to do another experiment on conductivity of heat. Here I have a device here with 5 different kind of metals. This dark colored metal is copper. This metal is, let me take a look, stainless steel. This is stainless steel. This metal is aluminium. This metal is iron. And this metal is brass. Okay, so they are all metals which are very good conductors of heat already. Okay, but we're going to see which one is the best conductor of heat. Alright, so we're going to put some wax on each of these metals. So you can zoom in, you can come and take a look. Come closer and see how I put the wax on it. I'm going to light up a candle. There you go. And you're going to drip wax onto each of these metals. Let's drip 1 drop of wax on each of this metal. There you go, 1 drop. Two drop. 3 drop. 4 drops. 5 drops. Okay, so now all of them have a drop of wax on it. I'm going to heat it up over the Bunsen flame. So once again, do not do this at home. The Bunsen flame is going to be very hot and very dangerous. Alright, and I'm going to put this onto the flame. I'm going to see which of these wax is going to drop first. Alright, to make it easier to see, I'm going to tilt this upside down. So the one that melts first, the wax will drip onto the table. And then we can see which one comes down first. Okay, so let's turn up the flame. There you go. Alright. Okay, so I'm going to put this down over the flame. Okay, let's observe which one melts first, okay? Let's observe which one melt first. The one that melts first means that it allows the heat to travel along it fastest, which means it conducts heat fastest. Which one do you think will allow the heat to travel fastest? Yeah? Do you think it's iron? Do you think it's... Oh, I see one is already melting. The copper is already starting to melt. The copper is already starting to melt. You see, the wax has already become liquid. Yeah? So it's starting... And oh, the second one is here. It's aluminium. The aluminium is already starting to melt too. So the first one was copper. The second one was aluminium. Aluminium has already melted. Let's take a look. Oh, the number 3 is here. Brass is starting to melt as well. Brass is now starting to melt. Brass is number 3. And let's see who is number 4. Okay, so it was quite clear that copper was the best conductor, followed by aluminium, and followed by brass. So now you are only left with 2 materials, which is iron and stainless steel. This is iron, and that is stainless steel. Okay, let's wait a little longer. Oh, they are pretty... We're going to wait a little bit longer. I'm going to try to just heat up the other side as well to balance it up. Okay. Oh, no, this is melting already. Brass, this is iron. Iron is melting already. Iron is really started to melt. Okay, so iron is the 4th, and lastly will be the stainless steel. Okay, so this experiment shows us... Let me close out the flame. Okay. So, what can we tell about the conductivity? Which is the best conductor of heat?
Metal.
Which metal?
Stainless steel.
No, stainless steel was the poorest. The one that melted first was copper. Copper melted first, right? So copper was the best conductor, followed by aluminium. And the third one was brass. Followed by iron.
Iron.
And lastly was stainless steel is the last one. And this is really, really hot. To show you that this is really, really hot, we're going to just put some water in over it to show you that this is really hot and you don't ever do this at home by yourself.
Let's go! Woo!
Alright, so don't do this experiment by yourself. It's really hot. Alright, it's dangerous. It's really hot. Okay, so that's all for today. See you again next time. Bye-bye.